Everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel, call me Gabby Angel. In this video, we are coming to learn how to create a patterns in Adobe Illustrator. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you don't understand anything, just comment so that anytime we upload any video, you'll be the first person to watch. So now, Command Control plus N on your keyboard, or just come to File and go to New. Let's come to Print. Let's pick any default paper size. Over here, let's use the A3. Let's convert to landscape. And okay, let's maintain the color mode to the CMYK. Then create. So guys, as you can see, before you can create a pattern, you need to get the logo first. So in this video, we are coming to design a simple logo so that we can use it for the pattern. So let's try to create something. Let's try to get some symbols. Pick your ellipse tool, hold down shift key to get a perfect circle. After that, turn off all the fill colors, maintain the stroke. Command Control C to copy, Command Control F to paste front, hold down the Alt and the shift key to scale it. Command another Control C plus Control F to paste in front, and Command Alt plus Shift to scale it like this. So after that, let's pick the small shape and fill inside with any color of your choice. So guys, let's remove all stroke from it. So let's increase the size of the strokes. Okay, let's use 4. We can use 4 here too. After that, okay, let's say this is our perfect logo. So let's command Control plus G to group it. Just group it. After that, come to Object, come to Repeat, come to Grid. So guys, as you can see, we are having our patterns here. So to get rid of it, we need to scale it like this. So guys, as you can see, we are having our pattern. So in case you want to use it for background designs or cloth design, you can use it. This brings us to the end of today's video. If you find it useful, kindly subscribe to this channel, Gabby Angel Designs. If you don't understand anything, kindly comment so that anytime we upload any video, you'll be the first person to watch.